Hey there, Googie. There's Mama's baby. She wants to go with Mama. That's a sweet baby. Yes, you are. You look like you're smiling for the camera. Yes, you are. Oh, so loving. Well, here, let's see what all we can get accomplished. Okay, here is what I'm working on, which I've probably showed in the previous videos, but just kind of a recap. We have all this wall down through the hall to right here with the kitchen. And we'll stop here with this. Now, after I wipe all these walls down and stuff, I'll see how bad it looks. We may have to paint it. But for right now, we know we're going to go from this wall all the way to the bedroom there. Okay, on the other side, we have from this wall here all the way to this wall. I'm going to get to painting. Okay, we're going to start out by removing anything, the covers and stuff that needs to be taken down. Now, I've shaken this up a pretty good bit because it's a little based, but I'm not sure how well it's shaken. I'm still going to stir it a little bit. My little dinky screwdriver here is not really doing the job here. I'm not in our original little work truck because it's hooked to the dirt body because he's working on another project hauling dirt. Woo! Okie dokie. And it looks real good. There's no separation or anything, so I think all the shaking that I've been doing done pretty good. So I guess we're gonna go on to time lapse. No. If you're gonna do that, you can't ride with me. Okay, we are off to go get the kids from the bus stop. I didn't get much painted. I don't know. It's time to go get them, so I had to wake the twins up. I hated waking them up. They were sleeping so good. Okay, well, I've run back over here to kind of see what it looks like. It's good and dry. If I hadn't got a phone call that my daughter had to go to work and not keep the twins, I could have got a lot more done. That's not very much. That's better than nothing. So I'm gonna see if when my husband gets home, no, tonight's church, I can't do it. See, there's always something I can't finish. But I guess tomorrow I'll get back on it until my daughter has to go to work again. But I need to finish all that. Do this. And then go back over it with my paint. And the paint that I'm going with is what I use in every mobile home. So they're the same color. Okay, this is the paint that I use. It is Valspar 2000 interior paint plus primer. It's ideal for residential and commercial properties. Let's see, eggshell. And I think it's a semi-gloss. We get it from Lowe's. And the color is called Paper Craft. So if you've seen any of the other walls, it's a creamy white. I mean, it's white, but it's not white, but it's not an off-white. So I really like it a lot. And I think it'll blend in and look good with that other wall over there. Anyway, I've got children that I just picked up from school. Let's see if I can get this door locked. So we're heading home. Googie's still riding with us. Hello, Googie. Oh, she wants loving. She's been a good girl. She rode really well with us. Yes, she did. See, I've been a good girl. I had a good ride to go pick up the kids. Yes, I did. You got a good girl? Yes, you are. Okay, well, we're going to go get started on supper. And on top of supper, what are you doing, you barefooted little girl? I know, I hear she's wanting hair bad. I may go let the twins play a little bit, but I can't let them get too dirty.
Put it back. Uh-oh, it's not there. It's there, it's there.
She just loves to ride.
It's there.
She's not big on riding. We don't let her go very often with us. Thank you for watching from Raising Roneys.